the grill is like a little oven so you can bake on it. All right, so you want to start putting the condiments? All right, so we're gonna put the pizza right on the skillet and we're gonna bake it right here. Let me show you here in the grill. The grill came with this little lid here that when you lift the lid, you see that's where the propane comes out, but you put this here and all that heat is going to come around like this, like an oven. So that's why it's not going to get burned. So that's how we're going to bake our pizza today. All right, that's all the toppings. We got red pepper, onions, pineapple, turkey sausage, and ham. And that's going to be all the topping. Sausage give it a great flavor. All right, bring it in. All right, beautiful. All right, I'll give it about 20 minutes baking. Oh, that piece is perfect. All right, I'll slide it right in here. There it is. All right. I got my diving knife. You want my diving knife?
Let me try with this.
All right, let's dig in.
No place required.
It's good.
Crunchy.
Tastes really good. So we have pizza with a delivery. As soon as the sun came down, the pizza was done already. This is one more way that I use my grill. It works like a small oven, and I have used this special model with a manual pilot ignition for over 6 years and love it. I placed the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please thumb it up. Navigate safe.